Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's countdown is built around a single idea, the perfect everyday automatic watch. Not a showpiece, not a safe that lives in a drawer. A watch you reach for without thinking, strap on without ceremony, and wear through whatever the day decides to throw at you. These are watches that earn their place on your wrist by being reliable, characterful, well-made, and genuinely enjoyable to own and wear every single day. We're covering the full range today, from the most accessible entry point in serious automatic watchmaking, right up to the watch that has defined what a great everyday watch looks like for over half a century. Let's get into it. Number 10. Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 55 Automatic. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 55 is the watch the industry wishes it had invented, a fully automatic Swiss spec-capable sports watch at a price so honest, it makes competitors in the segment look like they've been charging you for decades of goodwill rather than watchmaking. The SRPD 55 in its vivid blue dial configuration delivers a bold and unapologetically sporty aesthetic with a unidirectional rotating bezel, a day-date complication, and a case that can handle 100 meters of water resistance without complaint. The 4R36 automatic caliber inside provides hand-winding and hacking seconds, features that define a genuinely usable everyday movement, and the display case back lets you watch it work, which never gets old. The stainless steel Jubilee-style bracelet ships with the watch and fits with a quality that belies the price entirely. Seiko has been making the 5 Sports family for over 5 decades, and that accumulated experience of how to make a dependable, enjoyable sport watch shows in every detail of the SRPD 55. It is quite simply one of the most important watches in the world at its price. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 55 retails for approximately $250 USD. Number 9. Orient Mako 2 Automatic Diver. The Orient Mako 2 is the watch that sits at the bottom of the price ladder for serious dive watches and refuses, stubbornly and admirably, to behave like a budget product. At a price point where most manufacturers are cutting corners on movement quality, case construction, or both, Orient delivers a fully in-house automatic caliber, a unidirectional rotating bezel, 200 meters of water resistance, and a day-date complication, all in a package that wears convincingly enough to sit next to dive watches costing 5 times as much without embarrassment. The F6922 movement inside the Mako 2 is hand-windable and hackable, and Orient's decision to develop and produce their own movements rather than source them externally gives the brand a credibility that other value-oriented competitors simply cannot match. The dial is bold and legible with generous lume application that performs well in genuine low-light conditions, and the solid end-link bracelet is comfortable enough for all-day wear. As an introduction to automatic dive watches or as a dedicated travel and beater companion for experienced collectors, the Orient Mako 2 is close to perfect. The Orient Mako 2 automatic diver retails for approximately $180 USD. Number 8. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 Automatic. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 appears on this list for good reason, and if you've been following our countdowns, its repeated presence across different themed episodes tells you everything about just how comprehensively this watch covers its brief. As a daily automatic, the PRX Powermatic 80 is outstanding. The integrated bracelet flows from case to clasp in a single unbroken line. The slim profile means it disappears under a cuff and reappears at the end of a day looking just as sharp as it did at the start. The sunburst dial in blue, green, white, or black shifts character effortlessly depending on what you're wearing, making this one of the genuinely few watches that works equally well in a formal meeting and at a weekend market. The Caliber 80 movement delivers 80 hours of power reserve, meaning a Friday afternoon removal won't kill the watch before Monday morning, and the silicone hairspring provides magnetic resistance that genuinely matters in daily modern life, surrounded by phones, laptops, and transit card readers. The PRX Powermatic 80 is not on every list we make by accident. It is on every list because it keeps earning its place. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 retails for approximately $625 USD. Number 7. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is the military field watch format at its most fully realized, honest, purposeful, and built with a clarity of design intention that makes it one of the most immediately satisfying watches to put on your wrist for the first time. Where the mechanical hand-wind version we featured on a previous list rewards ritual engagement, the automatic variant removes any barrier to daily convenience while preserving everything that makes the khaki field compelling. The matte dial, the bold Arabic numerals, the large luminous hands, the canvas or rubber strap that says this watch is here to work, not to impress. The H10 automatic caliber inside is manufactured by ETA and offers an industry-leading 80-hour power reserve, the longest of any Hamilton automatic at this price, meaning the khaki field keeps ticking faithfully through the longest and most unpredictable weeks. Water-resistant to 100 meters and housed in a case that manages to feel contemporary and vintage simultaneously, this is the watch you give someone who needs a great watch but would never ask for one. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic retails for approximately $595 USD. Number 6. Certina DS Podium Automatic. The Certina DS Podium Automatic is the brand's most versatile everyday proposition, a watch comfortable enough for office wear, robust enough for weekend adventure, and mechanically impressive enough to satisfy the enthusiast who reads the specification sheet before making any purchase. The DS designation, double security, runs through Certina's entire sports line and guarantees an extra level of protection at every potential point of water ingress, giving the Podium a 100-meter water resistance rating backed by genuine engineering rather than marketing optimism. The dial design is clean and confident, with applied indices and a date complication integrated without disrupting the overall visual balance. The Powermatic 80 caliber inside is Certina's finest movement offering, delivering 80 hours of power reserve and a silicone hairspring in a package that competes directly with Swiss manufacturers charging considerably more. The bracelet quality is solid and comfortable from day one, and the overall finishing precision reflects a brand that has been quietly overperforming its reputation for years. The Certina DS Podium is the Swiss everyday automatic for the buyer who does their homework. The Certina DS Podium Automatic retails for approximately $875 USD. Number 5. Mito Ocean Star Tribute Automatic. The Mito Ocean Star Tribute Automatic is a celebration of the brand's dive watch heritage rendered in a form that contemporary collectors find immediately and deeply appealing. Tribute watches live and die on the authenticity of their reference points, and the Ocean Star Tribute passes that test convincingly, drawing on genuine Mito dive watch design language from the 1960s and translating it into a modern case with vintage proportions, a warm domed crystal, and a color palette that references the era without recreating it slavishly. The pastel and muted dial colors, soft green, dusty blue, warm ivory, give it a personality entirely distinct from the bolder, more assertive Ocean Star 200 we featured previously, making the Tribute a complementary rather than competing proposition. The Mito Caliber 80 inside brings the 80-hour power reserve and silicone escapement to a watch that already offers 200 meters of water resistance and a bezel that turns with the satisfying click and precision of much more expensive instruments. Worn on the included vintage-style bracelet or a NATO strap, the Ocean Star Tribute is one of the most genuinely enjoyable watches to wear daily at its price point. The Mito Ocean Star Tribute Automatic retails for approximately $150 USD. Number 4. Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic. The Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic is one of the most complete everyday watch packages in Swiss watchmaking, and its placement at number 4 on this list, following appearances on previous countdowns, reflects a simple truth. This watch is genuinely excellent, and it keeps proving it regardless of what criteria you're applying. As a daily wearer, the Hydro Conquest is exceptional. The COSC certified L888 manufacture caliber provides 72 hours of power reserve, which is transformative for weekend wear. The ceramic unidirectional bezel and 300-meter water resistance mean there is essentially no daily scenario, shower, swim, rain, vigorous sport, that gives this watch pause. The bracelet is substantial and well-engineered. The clasp includes a wetsuit extension for genuine dive use, and the overall construction has a solidity that communicates quality from the first moment you handle it. The dial in deep blue or rich green has a depth and richness that rewards the glances you inevitably steal throughout the day. Longines has been refining the Hydro Conquest for decades, and that process of iteration shows in a watch where nothing feels accidental or unresolved. The Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic retails for approximately $1,550 USD. Number 3. Oris Aquis Date Automatic. The Oris Aquis Date Automatic is the everyday sports watch from the watch industry's most principled independent house, and it represents everything that Swiss manufacturing independence can achieve when it focuses entirely on creating the best possible product rather than managing a conglomerate's margin requirements. The Aquis is Oris's most commercially successful watch family, and it has earned that position watch by watch, year by year, through consistent improvement and genuine quality. The Caliber 400 movement, introduced in recent Aquis references, is a landmark in Oris's history. A manufacturer-developed caliber with 5 days of power reserve, improved anti-magnetic performance, and a 10-year service interval that dramatically changes the long-term cost of ownership calculus. Water-resistant to 300 meters with a ceramic bezel and screw-down crown, the Aquis Date is a serious dive watch that wears with equal assurance in a business-casual environment. The textured dial surfaces on certain references, particularly the waffle and ribbed variants, give the Aquis a visual identity that is entirely its own in a segment crowded with nearly identical offerings. As an everyday automatic with genuine sports capability and a brand story worth believing in, the Aquis Date is exceptional. The Oris Aquis Date Automatic retails for approximately $1,600 USD. Number 2. Tudor Black Bay 36 Automatic. The Tudor Black Bay 36 Automatic takes second place on today's list as one of the most thoughtfully sized and executed everyday watches in contemporary production, and in a watch market obsessed with ever-growing case diameters, its 36mm footprint is a genuine act of courage and conviction. Tudor understood that a significant portion of watch buyers, across genders, wrist sizes, and aesthetic preferences, are underserved by the 40mm and above mainstream, and the Black Bay 36 addresses that gap with total seriousness of purpose. Everything that makes the Black Bay family compelling is present here. The snowflake hands, the domed crystal, the gilt and lacquer dial options that carry a warmth and depth far beyond their price point. The manufacturer MT5400 caliber brings 70-hour power reserve and meta certification to a case slim enough to wear under any cuff, on any occasion. The leather strap options, heritage correct in width and texture, give the BB36 an elegance that the larger Black Bay models simply cannot achieve. Whether you're buying this as your first serious Swiss automatic or as a deliberately scaled-down companion to a larger collection, the Tudor Black Bay 36 is a watch for life, full stop. The Tudor Black Bay 36 Automatic retails for approximately $3,125 USD. Number 1. Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36 is the watch that invented the concept of the everyday automatic, and 6 decades on from its introduction, it remains the definitive answer to the question of what a perfect daily watch should be. The Oyster Perpetual is not Rolex's most complicated watch, its most technically advanced, or its most expensive. It is something more important than any of those things. It is the distillation of everything Rolex has learned in over a century of watchmaking, applied to the simplest possible brief, a watch that keeps flawless time every day for the rest of your life. The 3230 caliber inside is among the finest mass-produced movements in the world, featuring Rolex's proprietary siloxane silicon hairspring, Chronergy escapement, and a 70-hour power reserve, all certified as a superlative chronometer to standards that go beyond COSC requirements. The dial in the vivid lacquer colors that Rolex introduced to the Oyster Perpetual line in recent years, turquoise, coral red, candy pink, bright yellow, transformed a watch that had been relatively overlooked within Rolex's own portfolio into one of the most hotly desired references in the entire industry overnight. These are not colors applied for novelty. They are a confident statement from the world's most conservative watch brand that beauty is a legitimate engineering goal. The Oyster case, with its seamless integration of case, lugs, and polished and brushed surfaces, remains a masterclass in three-dimensional design after all these years. The bracelet, Rolex's Oyster bracelet with the EasyLink extension system, is the standard against which every other steel watch bracelet in the industry is measured, and the standard that almost none of them meets. Wearing the Oyster Perpetual 36 every day is not about status, though status is an inevitable consequence. It is about owning the watch that simply does what a watch should do better than anything else ever has. And knowing that in 10, 20, or 30 years, it will be doing exactly the same thing on your wrist or someone else's, as perfectly as it did the first morning you put it on. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36 retails for approximately $6,150 USD.